Oh, oh man. Why did I do that? You know what? Forget this. We're just gonna play the video. What's up, guys? Long time no see. I am back. Finally, we're about to start rolling out videos. My last video wasn't really a necessarily happy video. It was an upsetting video, and basically I'm making this video so we can go ahead and just like look forward for the future, basically. I just want to say thank you for the support that I got from my last video, because honestly I got a lot of support from my video, from my last video. More support than I thought I would. All my friends and families that commented on there, all of you guys, other YouTubers and stuff like that, it was astonishing of how many people was just messaging me, making sure I was okay and stuff like that. There was people that honestly I didn't even know was saying, hey, you can come talk to me if you need to. And I was like, cool, that's cool. So that's love, you guys. But anyways, in memory of Chirac, we got these little bracelets and stuff like that. Pumpkin got one. Come here, Pumpkin. Come here. I don't know why she acting like this. But yeah, in the tribute for Chirac, we got little charms. I show an up close picture. You okay? Want to thank you guys for the support. I really do appreciate it. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna get that much reaction from that video. I just really just posted up there just to help other people know what was going on in my life without having to repeat myself all the time, because it's not fun repeating that. So that's why I made the video. I think this is like her first time actually sitting. Look at her. She's laying there chilling. You having fun, Pumpkin? Yeah. Really, this video is just an update for my car and what's going on with it. So I told you guys in the video before that we had plans for the Mach 1, the 98 Mach 1. So yeah, this is basically what happened. We did a few tests on the motor. We did 2 tests on it. We did a compression test. I want to say cylinder 3. Been so long ago since I did it. I think cylinder 3 actually has 0 compression. So that's not good. We also did a leak down test. I want to give a shout out to Mr. David for letting me borrow his leak down cylinder tester. We already did it at his house, but just going to show you how it's worked. I don't have the actual air compressor on me, so I can't show you fully, but I can tell you step by step really. What you really want to do is basically you have the air compressor connected to this side right here. Have it turned on and have this part connect into your spark plug hole, basically. And you look at the gauges, make sure that it's set to make sure this part is set to 0. You adjust it right here, and then it tells you how much PSI is going through it. Now what you want to do is, once it's going through, you want to do stuff like take off the oil cap and listen for it or anything like that. Make sure it's not making a air noise or something. You can disconnect your intake and listen to, you can open up your throttle body and listen for it. Listen for any air that goes through it. All the way to the back, to the tailpipes, to listen for it. Listen for any type of wind noise or blowing or anything like that. That usually tells you what's going on and what's damaged in the motor. It can be the piston rings, which is why mine is messed up. And it's usually coming from the oil cap or the oil stick. The intake valves, that could be messed up if it's air coming out from your intake, your throttle body and all that, and your exhaust valves could be messed up if it's coming out your exhaust pipes. But yeah, thank you Mr. David for letting me borrow that leak down test. And we found out that it was coming out the oil cap, which means piston rings. So yeah, I got a couple of options to do. Option 1 is to rebuild the motor that I have. Option 2 is to buy a used motor and rebuild that one while still having that motor. And option 3 is to buy a brand new motor. Now option 1 is just rebuilding that motor. Basically I can just rebuild it basically. I never actually rebuilt a motor before, so I am unaware of that territory. I don't know anything about opening up a motor. My friend Jake, he knows how to do it, but he only did it on 2 valves. I'm not sure if he really knows how to do it on 4 valves. I don't know. Option 2 is buying a motor from a junkyard, from like a Lincoln Aviator or what's the other one? Mach 8 motors. Yeah, it's kind of weird that those cars had the same motor as my car. It's weird, but I can get that motor, rebuild that motor while still having that motor in my car and making it better, basically getting it ready for whatever I wanted to get it ready for. And option 3, which honestly is probably the easiest and the quickest option, is just to buy a whole new motor, long block, from like AutoZone or something like that, because honestly I need my car back. So that's like the quickest option to doing it. I'm not sure exactly what route I'm gonna take. I might just buy the motor and just go ahead and take everything out and slap it back in. I've been talking to a few of my friends and a few of my mom's friends, and I have this one friend, he's a real deal mechanic, and he got his own shop and everything like that. And he was telling me that he can probably get me a good deal on a brand new Mach 1 motor. So honestly I might go with the third option, just because it's a brand new motor, has no miles on it, anything. So I might have to go with that one. I'm not 100% sure yet. It's a lot to think about, really, because it's like I got a small time frame now. Now I'm back at work. I can't really, you know, work on my car like that anymore. I need something to get back and forth to work now. My mom and my brother both have jobs with some crazy hours, so it's, yeah, I need my car back. Tell me guys what you think about the option of getting a brand new motor. Am I wasting my time? I'm wasting my money? Should I just rebuild the motor that I have, or should I just get a junkyard motor and rebuild that? That's really all I have for this video, is just really letting you guys know that I'm fine. I'm okay now. Still a little upset about my boy, but you know, it is what it is. Life happens, and I gotta keep it moving. I gotta keep doing what I gotta do. We're gonna continue on with this YouTube channel. We're gonna try to be as positive as we can, as happy as we can, because I don't want this channel to be a depressing channel. Let's see what we can do next. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.